Hey y'all, welcome to Journey with Jackie. Ha! I promised you, today is the day we're going to do another home remodel. I promised you, it's been too long. I've been promising y'all for 2 weeks. Today is the day. So excited that you have taken the time to hit the button to watch my video again. So I really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe right now. I really appreciate it. So let's get right into it. You guys know my channel is about two different things. So it's either my favorite things, which I love to share around like fashion, beauty, you know, trying to do my best with anti-aging, so I focus a lot on that. And then on the other flip side is my other passion that I absolutely love doing, and that is real estate slash home decor. So this video, as I promised, I know I've been promising for a while because I do have a little backlog of some projects that I've done, but just between the editing and everything, I just haven't gotten around to a lot of the projects. But I did take some time just to do a quick edit of one of the projects that I did out of state, and it was a really nice project. So this particular couple asked me to join the project basically when the house was already framed out, I guess you would say, and they wanted me to come in, buy the furniture for the house, and I was able to do like some of the basic things like pick all the paint, all the furniture, of course in partnership with them, because I want to make sure that everybody is happy. So I had a budget, I had my vision, but I also had my vision based on the vision of what they like and how they live their lives. Let me just get to each room and then I'll give you the particulars. So okay, let's start off with this. So as we're going to North Carolina, I am taking Sky with me. We had a lot of fun. She's such a big help when I do these projects, and so we ventured. She had never been in North Carolina, so this is like fun as we taken our journey together on this trip. So anyway, I'll fill you in a couple different things. But so let me start off with this. So I'm just sharing with you guys how you know, by the time I get done this project, this particular day, we did everything in one day with a help of a fabulous team of about probably like 8 or 9 people who helped me from morning to night. And so as I said, most of the times when I finish these projects, it is late, I am pooped, I am tired, but it's because of Sky that I actually have this video and footage to even show you, because if it was me, I wouldn't have had it. And that's why I don't have a lot of pictures, because I can't do it doing the decorating, doing pictures. So I'm learning to have help to be able to help capture all of the completed projects. So they pull up to their house, and you know, you can't see everything on the outside, but you know, I'm just gonna highlight some of my favorite rooms in the house. And I want to say the family room I really did love. I love the fact of how high the ceilings were, and then how we created an intimate space around the fireplace. Their TVs weren't in as of yet. They actually was going to be installed 2 days from now due to technical problems with the internet. We could not install the TV, so 2 days later all the TVs were installed on the walls. But anyway, so I will say that I really did love the fireplace. I love the finish of this particular stone that was available. I love the home decor. The main pop of color that the wife wanted was blue. I think my favorite room is here, and that is her bedroom. I love how we really did this on an inexpensive budget. And I want to say this whole project was done on I want to say a low to mid budget. And I think, you know, I think for the amount of money and the selection that we made, it was a really nice big impact without breaking the bank. And so I think the bedroom was a really nice compromise to do that. Although it looked like it cost more, but it really didn't. The bedding was really affordable. The bed frame itself came from Furnitureland South. It wasn't like one of those crazy expensive ones. Even one of the other things I love is the lights on the wall. Actually, y'all, and I just got those from Wayfair, and I think they were like just $100 something a piece. But when you mix it in with the quality bedding, makes a big difference. So on the bed are restoration hardware bedding. So when you mix the inexpensive lights with the inexpensive pictures, quality bedding, quality rug. So when you mix the high and the low, it just feels really good. And so I think the bedroom just really is a perfect description of this particular couple. So I like this a lot. My other favorite room I'm gonna put here, and that is the kitchen. I love how we did this little seating area. It wasn't a large space to work with to get a small table, but the table is small but mighty with impact. I love this table. I actually got this from Pottery Barn, and it actually was on clearance. So it's beautiful marble top with the wooden base, and then the bench was custom made from the same as the cabinet, but I had the cushions made. So I had the cushions made and I had the pillows made, and then the wall art actually came from the furniture store from Furnitureland South. And so when you put it all together, it really just gave a nice, just, you know, like, you know, what the couple would like, you know, like fun. They wanted fun, casual, and relaxed, and low maintenance. And I definitely think this kitchen definitely gave them that. So it was just really, really nice. Just a great experience inside and out. The back porch was just so relaxing, very affordable, nothing crazy over the top. But as you can see from all the different colors that we did in the house, between the blues, the grays, and the tan, it just all worked together. And then keeping with the same theme is, I think, also really important too, because it also, by keeping the colors consistent throughout the house, it's also going to exude luxury and like just quality. So, you know, instead of going to a yellow room and a blue room, and it just, if you keep it all cohesive, it all works together. And I just think it gives much more of a luxury vibe than, and if you like, nothing wrong with it. If you like rooms to be completely different, you can. But I'm just saying, in my opinion, with the feel of it being similar and all complementing each other, it just screams luxury. So if all the bedroom doors are open to the family room or the kitchen, you know, so everywhere you turn from your eye's view, everything complements your eyes, and it's not gonna go to one thing because it's completely different. You know, I just think if you can, to try to keep all the things just complementary, even if they are different colors. But I love the experience. I love the opportunity. And once again, just continue to do high and low makes a big, big difference. I think at this point, you know, when you have to find something that you have to special order, the waiting game is the problem at this point, is because you guys know everything is on back order. So but I do say it's worth the wait. I would rather for someone wait to get what they really want with the right colors. Comfort is so important. Right color is so important, and the cost is so important. Cost, quality, and comfort, I think, are so important. So I think they all have to go hand in hand, and I would rather wait and get all three of those C's instead of just getting something and being in the rush, because at the end of the day, you're going to have this forever. You're going to live in it. You have to look at it, and you're paying for it, most important thing. And I truly believe your house is your sanctuary, and you should be happy. You should be smiling when you're pulling up to your house. Everything will be like, I'm home. And I'm just thankful for the opportunity that I can help do that for people and put their smile on their faces. It puts a smile on my face to give someone else a smile, and I look forward to it. I'm thankful for all of the customers that I've done that in the past. I'm thankful for all the future customers that are coming my way to allow me to continue to do that and help them. And I'm really thankful. So anyway, I thank y'all for tuning in, watching this quick video, but I promise to give you another quick home decor update, and thank you for tuning in. And don't forget, like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I thank you for taking the journey with me. I love you guys so much. Talk to you real soon. Bye. I got you. Y'all, Sky is the bomb. She was a big, big help, y'all. She did it. We're in North Carolina. Hey!